Right lane closed, merge left. You may or may not be able to read that sign. Going past the Skills on US 64. I'm headed to Ramseur for an appointment. Oh, they're clearing that lot. Wow. That lot there on the right. They've cleared it. They're gathering the brush and burning it. And, oh, see, there's been building along here. Like coming up down there is the new metal roofing company that was built up a little over a year ago. I'll yell it out when we go by. I'm not promoting anything, I'm not rigging anything. I'm just saying. Now this Brady Homes has been here for a while, but this one coming up where the sign is on the right is a fairly new enterprise at this location. The ones on the other side have been here for years. So they're working. Now, I'm going to tell you that it's 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, that's right. It's late spring and early summer. Yeah, right. In midwinter. Okay, the diggers are almost at the edge of the gulch. Yeah, they're going down. They're going down. They're starting down the slope. Yeah, they are. Good luck. See the pipes along there? Did you see them? This is the shooting place where you can get your concealed carry training to qualify for a permit. See the special blue pipes there? Another big gulch they'll have to go through. That's why I'm continuing it, because it's going to be fun to watch. It takes skill and engineering know-how. You don't put first day people on going down those places. I'm not making fun of them. Steve A. before y'all just running his mouth, saying see you at 73.